I hope you're having a great Pi Day, and thanks for joining me today. My name is Pranav Murlidhar, and I'm a PM on the Amazon S3 team. Today, I'm going to highlight how you can maximize visibility into your storage costs with Amazon S3 Storage Lens. In particular, we will start by introducing the storage optimization cycle, a recommended approach to creating a optimization process. We will then learn more about Amazon S3 Storage Lens, followed by a deeper dive into its key capabilities that will maximize visibility into your storage. Finally, we will conclude by walking through how Storage Lens visualizations can be used to answer some of the common questions related to cost optimization. One of the most common questions we hear from our customers is, how do I get the most value from my S3 storage? Our customers are constantly looking to improve their storage setup and optimizations across multiple dimensions, and S3 offers multiple tools and services to achieve this goal. Storage optimization can have multiple dimensions to it. Maybe you're looking to get more from your storage spend, or you want to audit your data protection settings, or you're looking to improve the performance of your workflows. For all of these, we recommend a simple three-step process. First, we start with Observe. You gain deeper visibility into your storage to identify optimization opportunities. You can use tools like S3 Inventory that generates a list of S3 objects along with the related metadata like size, storage class, encryption status, and more. Maybe you spot an interesting trend, and this leads you to the next step, which is to analyze. Here, we dig deeper to isolate the bucket or workload which can be optimized. You can use a service like S3 Server Access Logs that provides detailed request logs at the bucket and object level. Once an opportunity has been identified and analyzed, the final step is to implement your optimization. For instance, you can use a service like S3 Lifecycle that automatically transitions data to a different storage class based on a customer defined rule set. Now, S3 offers multiple options to perform each of these steps, but today's focus will be on one powerful tool, Amazon S3 Storage Lens. We are going to learn more about S3 Storage Lens and how it can assist you to observe and analyze your data by maximizing visibility into your storage footprint. S3 Storage Lens is a storage analytics service that provides organization-wide visibility into storage usage and activity. S3 Storage Lens provides more than 60 metrics and multiple interactive tools to identify improvement opportunities across cost optimization, data protection, access control, performance, and more. In the storage optimization cycle context, S3 Storage Lens is the recommended tool to continuously observe your data and audit the impact of your optimization actions on your storage footprint. Storage Lens has three options to view the metrics. The first and probably the most common one where customers start off with is the integrated dashboard experience of Storage Lens, which is built into the S3 console. This dashboard is pre-configured for all customers, so no effort is required to set it up. In fact, you can log into your console right now and check it out. Some customers want to have direct access to their data, and they can use the metrics export option. You can send a CSV or Parquet file containing all of the metrics in the dashboard to any S3 bucket in your account. From there, it can be consumed into a local analytics environment to perform more context-specific analyses into the same metrics. And lastly, many customers prefer to see their storage lens metrics alongside monitoring metrics across other AWS services. To do this, you can enable Amazon CloudWatch Publish option on S3 Storage Lens. This will enable you to use CloudWatch dashboard and alarm features on Lens metrics. Another key capability of Storage Lens is the ability to drill down to pre-aggregated dimensions at different levels. All Storage Lens dashboards are configured at an account or an organization level. So usually you start at this higher level view, and as you analyze deeper, you can drill down to more granular aggregations like region, storage class, bucket, and even the prefix level. As I mentioned before, Storage Lens offers a free version which is auto-enabled for every account, And there is also an optional paid version which you can upgrade to for extended visibility. With Storage Lens Advanced Metrics, you gain 35 additional metrics, including metrics which can identify cold or abandoned buckets and others which are related to lifecycle rule counts and status codes. You also receive significantly more historical data with 15 months of data versus just 14 days in the free tier, which enables longer historical trend analyses. Further, you receive the ability to gain prefix level insights, which allows you to see granular usage within large shared buckets and eases the task of cost allocation within them. And finally, you can publish metrics to CloudWatch and set up automated alarms on any storage lens metrics. One of the many customers that deployed S3 Storage Lens and experienced tremendous benefits from it is Upstocks. Upstocks is a leading Indian discount broker who provides financial education and a digital platform for making investments to more than 11 million customers. Upstocks used S3 Storage Lens Advanced in conjunction with other AWS services to reduce their storage costs by 93% and save $1 million in storage costs annually. Upstocks leveraged Storage Lens to continuously observe and unearth optimization opportunities and has made Storage Lens a key part of their daily operations as they set the stage for future growth. And as I mentioned, Upstocks is not alone in its success in using Storage Lens. Recently, we completed an internal study of over 2,000 Storage Lens customers and compared their storage usage and spend before and after enabling Storage Lens advanced metrics. And we found that on average, customers saved 6 times more than what they spent by using Storage Lens Advanced. Now that we have acquainted ourselves with Storage Lens, let's see how we can leverage its capabilities to identify some common optimization opportunities. Now, a common question that often gets asked by customers is, how do you identify buckets which are no longer in use or have become cold? The Storage Lens bubble chart visualization enables you to compare buckets across 3 dimensions and pinpoint a bucket of interest. In our example, we have the object count and retrieval rate on the axis, and the bubble size is the number of bytes stored in that bucket. We can see that the highlighted bucket on the right side of this chart has low retrieval rate but a lot of storage. This bucket would be the ideal candidate for further analysis and possible optimization. Now, in many cases, you might have a multi-tenant bucket that is shared across multiple teams and customers. In these cases, it is common to assign specific prefixes to teams, and you might be looking to identify the fastest growing prefixes to allocate your costs accordingly. The top N view is a very good fit for this task. This view can be configured to list the fastest growing aggregation units like buckets, regions, or prefixes over a specified time period. In this example, we have the top 5 prefixes by size and their rate of change over the last month. As we can see, the top 2 rows are the largest prefixes, and they are also the fastest growing prefixes in our storage. Now that we have narrowed it down, we can dig deeper into these prefixes and identify the root cause of these trends. Often, you can find cost savings and performance improvements by just picking the optimal Amazon S3 storage class. Identifying the optimal storage class is often more an art than science, but Storage Lens can make this task much easier. The Storage Lens storage class distribution visualization is useful for this task. In our example, we see that a majority of the objects and their associated storage are concentrated in S3 standard. This is a strong indicator that we have an opportunity to optimize costs by leveraging some of the other storage classes. Generally speaking, and in most cases, you want to have your data distributed across S3 storage classes based on the workflow to which they are associated. A common scenario is having unknown or dynamic access patterns. In these cases, we recommend using the S3 Intelligent Tiering Storage class. S3 Intelligent Tiering delivers automatic storage cost savings when data access patterns change without performance impact or any operational overhead. For a small monthly object monitoring and automation charge, S3 Intelligent Tiering monitors access patterns and automatically moves objects that have not been accessed to lower cost access tiers. S3 Intelligent Tiering contains three access tiers: frequent, infrequent, and archive instant access that have the same low latency and high throughput performance of S3 standard. Further, for objects that have become rarely accessed, S3 Intelligent Tiering has two opt in asynchronous archive tiers: archive access and deep archive access tiers. These tiers have the same performance as S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval and S3 Glacier Deep Archive, respectively. To show you how powerful S3 Intelligent Tiering can be in optimizing your storage costs, since the launch of S3 Intelligent Tiering in 2018, customers have saved $1 billion from adopting intelligent tiering when compared to S3 standard, and these savings continue to accumulate for our customers. If you're interested in trying out S3 Storage Lens, you can scan the QR code on this slide. This will redirect you to a hands-on step-by-step tutorial that walks you through how to get started with S3 Storage Lens. So to summarize, storage optimization is a continuous process, and S3 Storage Lens is a great first port of call as you start the process of continuously monitoring and optimizing your storage. Storage Lens has a variety of different metrics and visualizations that surface opportunities to save costs, protect your data, and improve performance. And finally, for data with unknown or dynamic access patterns, we recommend using S3 Intelligent Tiering Storage class, where you will experience automatic cost savings. Thanks for joining my session. I'm excited for you to start using S3 Storage Lens and start experiencing the benefits that this tool provides. And with that, I hope you enjoy the rest of your AWS Pi.